So I'm going to skip around a little bit. I've selected a few interesting problems. Let's try number 6. We're asked to raise 1,000 to the 1/3 power. And that means the cube root of 1,000. So, in other words, some x raised to the 3rd power equals the number we're looking for. And ones and zeros are usually very special in math. You see 1, 2, 3 zeros, and we have 3. That would make me guess, let me try 10 times 10 times 10. And if we do 10 times 10, we get 100, and 100 times 10 does bring us back to the 1,000. So our answer here is 10. All right, answer is 10 for number 6. All right, now number 7, 1 to the -5. All right, so technically that's 1 over 1 to the 5th, which is just 1, which further reinforces any 1 to some power of x. Ooh, it's not equal to 0. My bad. Tried to erase. 1 to any power is going to be 1. Almost messed that one up. Sorry. Okay, go back now. Let's see. Number 9. Number 9 is a good one, too. We have 25 raised to the -1/2 power. 25 raised to the -1/2 power. Well, let's use our fraction trick. 21, 25. So make 25 over 1. Raise it to the -1/2. If we find the reciprocal and we flip, we've got 1 over 25 raised to the +1/2, which really just means square root of 1 over square root of 25, which equals 1 over 5. So the answer to number 9 is 1/5. Okay, number 11. That is 32 to the 1/5 power. So remember, that is 32 underneath a radical. The denominator always stands for the radical. Technically, that's called the index, but I'm not going to worry too much about the little details like that. So we want to know what's the 5th root of 32. So something raised to the 5th power equals 32. And I think that going forward, you're going to gain a very, very fluent understanding of exponents. Right now, there might be a little bit of guess and check involved. But I would start at the lowest number, 1. 1 to the 5th is still going to be 1, so that's not what we're looking for. And then try 2 to the 5th. So we get 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 8, 16, 32. So 2 was the number we're looking for there. So 32 raised to the 1/5 equals 2. That's our answer. Oh, I didn't mean to cover that up. I thought I was just going to highlight it. Oh, well. So our answer is 2. That's prettier. Let's try 16 and 18, and that was going to be the last 2 that we do today. So number 16 is 9 raised to the 5/2 power. So what this means is we either have 9 to the 5th, and we're going to find the square root, or we can find the square root of 9 and raise that to a power of 5. I like option B because I know what the square root of 9 is. So the square root of 9 raised to the 5th power, it equals 3 to the 5th power. And if you're not sure what that is, we can do it out. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. In your calculator you could do this too, but we have 3 times 3 is 9. So we still have 3 3s. This is going to give us 27 times 3 times 3. I'm running out of room, so I got to go on the other page. And I'm just going to double check my math here. So if we have, we're at 27 times 3 times 3. If we do 27 times 3, that gives us 81. And one more 3 to multiply by gives us 243. Okay, so that was number 16. And then the last one is number 18, and that is 1 over 16 to the negative 7/4 power. So first I'd like to get rid of that negative exponent. So we'll find the reciprocal, which is 16 over 1, and we're going to raise that to the power of 7/4. Okay, so make sure you understand what I did from that first step to the second step. I found the reciprocal of the base, and then that allowed me to make that exponent a positive 7/4. Okay, so now we're asked to evaluate 16, but to a power of 7/4. So recall, that means the 4th root of 16, and then you raise it to the 7th power. So in other words, something to the 4th power equals 16. And that is actually our friend 2. Because 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times the 4th 2 is 16. So we're really being asked to evaluate 2 to the 7th power. And you can use your calculator. I'll show you how to do it on an iPhone because I'm sure some of you use that as your calculator. But 2 to the 7th is 128. And that is the correct answer for number 18. All right, so this has been day 0 notes. Quick video. I know, well, I said quick, it was 18 minutes. But if you watched these 18 minutes, you should have no problem doing the practice tonight. All right? Have a great day, and we will see you tomorrow.